Hi, I'm Tyler with the ShookIOT development team, and today I'm going to show you how to create templates in Fusion. For our example, we are going to be using this sample of a hydrocarbon plant. Looking at the example, these are the locations of the assets, and the very bottom row are our separate assets that we will create using templates. Looking at these assets, there are 3 compressors and 4 pumps. For this video, we are going to focus just on the pumps, and we are going to create assets for these pumps by using templates. This will allow us to create multiple assets with similar measurements and specifications much quicker. The first step in creating a template will be to click the template button in the left sidebar on your Fusion page. Once you are on the templates page, click Create Template. We are going to name this Pump. Press Create. Now that our pump template is created, we can add specifications, measurements, and components. To do so, click on the newly created pump template and press the Create a Specification button. Add normal pressure, and normal mass flow. These are static numbers and can be used to compare against the measurements. Now let's add some measurements. Click Create Measurements. We'll name this Inlet Mass Flow and give it engineering units GPM. The measurement is now created. If you want to change the measurement properties, you can go to Set Defaults and change them in here. Now let's add some more measurements. Let's add inlet pressure with engineering units PSI. Let's add discharge mass flow with engineering units GPM. Discharge pressure with engineering units PSI. And finally, pressure differential. Looking back at the example, we have 2 similar pumps, the water injection pumps. We can create a new template for these assets as a child of the template we just made, and this new template will inherit properties from the parent. Right-click the pump template and press Create Template. Let's name this Hydraulic Pump. The template is now a child of the pump template. The properties highlight the differences between the child and the parent, and all the properties will be presented when the assets are instantiated. Let's add a measurement that is unique to this template. Let's add speed. We're also going to add 2 more templates as a child of pump. We're going to name them Vertical Line Shaft Pump and we're going to add a specification to this called bowl size. We're also going to add one more template. We're going to name this Progressing Cavity Pump. And we're going to give this the specification rectangular flange size. Now that we have our templates created, we can create our assets. Looking back at the example, we need 4 pumps. In the templates page, right-click hydraulic pump and press Create Instance. Let's name this Water Injection Pump. The hierarchy selection is where the new asset will be placed. As you can see, I have asset hierarchy and location on the left sidebar, and I also have asset hierarchy and location in the Create Instance. I'm going to leave it in the asset hierarchy. Once created, you can see your asset in the asset hierarchy. If you then click on the asset, it will have the specifications and measurements that we added in the template. We need to add 3 more pumps. Going back to the templates page, let's right-click on the hydraulic pump and press Create Instance. Let's name this Produced Water Injection Pump. Right-click Vertical Line Shaft Pump, Create Instance, and name this Fire Pump. Finally, right-click Progressing Cavity Pump, Create Instance, and name it Crude Pump. Now, going back to the asset hierarchy, we can see all of the assets we just created. We are going to want to group these assets so it looks cleaner and they're easier to find. This is where ShookIOT Fusion really shines. We can add context around these assets, and this context can be anything. It can be the physical location, maintenance responsibilities, or even a cost reporting structure. We're going to stick with the traditional location-based asset hierarchy. Let's create an asset named Plant. Looking at the graph, we need 2 assets, processing and utilities. By right-clicking Plant, we're able to create these assets as children of the Plant asset. Right-click Plant, create asset, and name it Processing. Right-click Plant one more time, create asset, and we're going to name this Utilities. As you can see, those 2 assets are now children of Plant. Now all we have to do is left click and drag and drop our assets we created using templates. Drag the water injection pump and crude sales pump to processing. And now we're going to add fire pump and produce water injection pump to utilities. Lastly, if we want to add a new property to our assets, all we have to do is update the template. Add normal temperature to the specifications under hydraulic pump. Now our assets made using the hydraulic pump template will have the normal temperature specification. We now have a location-based hierarchy made using templates. For more information about ShookIOT Fusion, please visit us online at www.shookiot.com. And also, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.